Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to share blogger post on X. So in this case I want whenever a new post is posted on my blogger account, automatically that post should be created as a tweet on my X account. So to automate this process we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process a trigger application will be blogger and an action application will be X. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So this is my blogger account, and here I want whenever a new post is created on my blogger account, automatically that post link should be posted on my X account as well. So here to automate this entire process, we are going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow button that is available on the top right corner. And now here in this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as share blogger post on X. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name share blogger post on X. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here we are going to select a trigger application as blogger and my trigger event as new post added. And now to connect my Google Blogger account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Blogger account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. Now here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and now here it is asking me to select my blog ID. So for that, let me take you back to my blogger account, and here you can see my blogger ID is connect. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to select my blog ID as connect. Moving forward, and here for the status I'm going to select only live, so that only the posts that are live should be captured by Pabbly Connect. And now here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to post a new blog on my blogger's account. So for that, let me take you back to my blogger account. And here I'm going to add a new post. And for doing this, I'm going to click on this new post button. And here I'm going to give a title to my post. So here my title would be World Tourism Day. And here I'm going to add a description for my post. So here I've added a small paragraph for the World Tourism Day. And now I'm going to add an image to this post by simply clicking on this insert image option. And here I'm going to select upload from computer, choose files. And here I've already downloaded an image. So here I'm going to select that image. And after selecting the image, here I'm going to click on this select. Here I'm going to select the size and alignment. And now after selecting the size and alignment, here I'm going to click on this OK. So here you can see we have successfully added a title, a description and the image for the post. So now we are going to publish this post by simply clicking on this publish button. Confirm. So here you can see we have successfully posted a post. So now let's go back to our Pabbly window. And here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the URL for the post, also the title, publish date, image URL, content, blog ID and other details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here we are going to select the action application as X. And then I'm going to select my action event as create a tweet. And now to connect my X account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your X account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, here I'm going to click on this connect with X. And here you can see it is asking for client ID and client secret. So here in the instruction it says, please read the documentation here to know how to create a client ID or client secret. So for that, here I'm going to click on this learn more. And here it will take you to the documentation. So here in the documentation it says, in this discussion we will go through how to set up Twitter with Pabbly Connect. And for the first step it says create a Twitter developer account. If you don't already have a Twitter developer account, you need to set up one up. It only takes a few minutes. So here, as you all know that I already have my Twitter account. So here to go to the Twitter developer account, I'm going to click on this link given below. And here you can see it has taken to the homepage of developer platform. So from here you can see my Twitter account is already logged in here. So here I'm going to click on this developer portal. And now here it has taken me to the dashboard. So before moving forward, let's go back to our documentation. Now after going to the developer account, moving forward, here it has given some use cases for reference. You can read it for your use moving forward. And now here it has shown us how to set up the developer account. So as my developer account was already set up, so we are going to skip this step. But if you are setting up the new developer account, then you can follow all these steps moving forward. And here you can see after the setup, it is showing us that go to projects and apps menu, click on your app name and go to settings icon. So here we are going to follow all these steps. So moving back to the developer account, and from here I'm going to click on this projects and apps. And from here I'm going to click on my application. And here you can see under apps, I'm going to select my apps. And here I'm going to click on this keys and tokens option. Scrolling down, and here you can see I have received the client ID and client secret. So firstly, here I'm going to copy this client ID. Moving back to Pabbly window, here I'm going to paste this client ID. And now here it is asking for client secret. So again, moving back to developer account. And here we are going to regenerate this client secret. And here you can see I have received a client secret. So here I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to click on this. Yes, I saved it. Moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to enter the client secret. So now after entering all the details, here I'm going to click on this save. And now here it is asking me to grant the access for my account. So here I'm going to click on this authorize app and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward. And now here it is asking me for the message which I want to send as a post on my Twitter account. So here in the message, I want to set a new blog posted on my page. And after that, here I'm going to map the link of that post. So here mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we will map the data from the response we have received in our Google Blogger. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever a new post is uploaded in our Blogger account, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the link of my post. So here we have received the URL. So here I'm going to select this. Moving forward, here this code tweet ID and direct message deep link is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank, but you can add them as per your need. And now after entering the message, here I'm going to click on the save and send this request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Twitter account. So here I'm going to click on my profile. And here you can see we have successfully posted a new tweet which says a new blog posted on my page, and here it is given a link. So we are going to click on this link. And here you can see it has taken us to the post which I have posted on my blogger's account with the title World Tourism Day and the same description and the image. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to generate a new post in our Blogger account. And for that, let me take you back to my Blogger account. So here in my Blogger account, I'm going to click on this new post to create a new post. And here I'm going to give a title to my post, that is World Heritage Day. And now after adding the title, here I'm going to give a description for my post. So here I've added a description successfully, and now I'm going to add an image by simply clicking on this insert image button. Upload from computer, choose files, and here I'm going to select an image that I've already downloaded. So here I've successfully uploaded the image and now I'm going to click on this select. Again, I'm going to select the size and alignment and now I'm going to click on this OK. And here you can see we have successfully added the image. So now after adding the title, description and image successfully, we are going to publish this post by simply clicking on this publish button. Confirm. And here you can see we have successfully published the post with the title World Heritage Day. So now let's go and check our X account. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see after refreshing the window, we have not received a new tweet. That is because the Google Blogger is a polling based application. That means it will take 8 hours to capture the new response. So it will take some time to receive the new response. So now let's wait for some time. So it's been some time since I uploaded the new blog. So now let's go and check our X account. And here you can see we have successfully received a new tweet which says a new blog posted on my page and the link. So here we are going to click on this link. And here you can see it has taken to the post which we have posted on our Blogger account with the title World Heritage Day and the same caption and the image. So with this we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Google Blogger and our action is X. So that whenever a new post is added on our Blogger account, automatically a tweet will be created on our X account. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.